So we had the first trial, got poured out, all kinds of problems. Went up to the Fifth Circuit. I made some great law on that Cairo. It came back down, and there was an issue where the judge was going to have to recuse himself for things we didn't do. The defense hired his clerk. During the appeal, they hired his clerk that was there during trial. And there's case laws very specific and clear on it. And so he's like, Mr. Ogden, how many years have you been? And I'm like, I stand up. He's like, how many years have you been in federal court? I'm like, 3? And he's like, what about you, Mr. Farah? He's like, 14. And you could see that the judge thought I was the older of the two. He did not think Kyle was the partner and I was the associate. And he was like, oh. And he's like, he's like, fine, I'm recused, but you go ask everybody in this courthouse what you just did to your career in federal court. And I was like, I looked at Kyle, I was like, thanks a lot, man. I was like, I only got 4 years in and you just ruined my career.